Do you want more strawberry plants for free? Today I'll show you how to grow strawberry runners and the easy way to separate them from the parent plant so you can enjoy even more sweet strawberries at home. Whether you're gardening in pots or in the ground, this method works perfectly. Strawberry plants naturally send out runners. These are long stems with little baby plants at the ends. By rooting these runners and separating them at the right time, you can multiply your strawberry patch without buying new plants. First, look for runners growing from the parent strawberry plant. They usually have small leaves beginning to grow at the end of a long, thin stem. There's one thing you need to be careful about here. Don't use the first seedling that grows from the runner. This is because it may inherit diseases from the parent plant. So, plant the seedlings that grow after that. To help the runner grow strong roots, place the little plantlet into a small pot filled with moist soil. Gently pin it down with a paperclip or a small stick so it stays in contact with the soil. Keep it watered, and in about 2-3 weeks, it will develop roots. It's been a month since planting. The strawberries have taken root firmly. Once the baby strawberry plant has grown enough roots and looks stable, you can cut the stem connecting it to the parent plant. Once you cut off the dead leaves, your new strawberry seedlings are ready. Other seedlings separated from the runners. After separation, you can transplant your new strawberry plants into larger pots or directly into your garden bed. In my case, I plant them in planters to prevent them from being eaten by insects as much as possible. They are also convenient because I can move them to the perfect location depending on the sunlight and temperature. Don't cut the runner too early. Wait until the new plant has enough roots. Keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged. Always use clean tools to prevent disease. And that's how easy it is to grow strawberry runners and separate them from the parent plant. Now you can enjoy even more strawberries in your garden. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and let me know in the comments if you've tried propagating strawberries before.